Hello friends, this is the video about the free kit which I received from Groww Application today. I was using that application for the more than 1 year, so they sent me the free gift today. So let's see what does I get inside it. So yeah, this is the free gift which is like small size because I have small size. The t-shirt quality is like decent. It is not like that you will get high-end t-shirt or something. In this we get this. Here it is like it's been a few months since we launched stock on Groww, and oh, what an amazing journey it has been. It makes us feel warm with joy that we have investors like you on board who truly appreciate what we have created. To celebrate as a Groww investor, we have designed the gift something which make you feel #proud to be Groww. Declare to the world that you don't just invest in stock, you invest in stock to become one of the owner of India's top listed companies. Happy investing. This is from the Mr. Lalit, who is the CEO and co-founder of Groww. It must be better the latter which came from the CEO, but yeah, it is the starting company, few years it started, so yeah, it is quite good. So let's see this. It is like gray and blues, which is the color of Groww. As we see, t-shirt is pretty good, although it is showing the size is small, but it is pretty good t-shirt quality. I see here we can see the quality of the stock. Here is like, look who is stocking. Let's see, does it have any print? Yeah, on back it also get this print, Groww company name. I think it is like when we wash it with the rough hand, I think this can be go. So yeah, it is quite good. Let me see, does it fit to me? Oh yeah, it is perfect size. It is small, but it is still good for me. Small size. So let's see. On the front you will get this with the letter from the Groww CEO. Yeah, as we see. So yeah, it is a quite nice product from the Groww application. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. After some days I will review that how does the t-shirt perform and how does it, and black is my favorite color, so yeah, I like this gift very much and hope you also like it. I will leave in the description that the other videos which I made on Groww and the download link for the app for the iOS and Android. Thanks for watching this video. And thank you to the Groww application for sending this gift. Give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.